Hi, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm so excited to share a super fun and easy morning routine that will help you start your day off right. If you're ready to see how to have the best start to your day, let's get into it. Step 1. Wake up with a big stretch. It's such a great way to get your body moving and shake off that sleepiness. Open your curtains to let in some natural light. It really helps wake you up. Do some light stretches or a 10 minutes workout to boost your energy and to improve your mood. Step 2. Hydrate. Drink a glass of water to kickstart your metabolism and rehydrate after a night's sleep. It's super refreshing and helps you feel more alert. Step 3. Take a refreshing shower. A nice warm shower helps you wake up and feel energized. Use your favorite body wash to feel extra fresh and ready for the day. Don't forget to wash your hair if it's wash day. Step 4. Cleanse your face. Use a gentle cleanser to wash away any overnight sweat and dirt. Follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin feeling soft and fresh. Step 5. Make a healthy breakfast. A smoothie bowl or oatmeal with fruit is a delicious and energizing way to start your day. Don't forget to enjoy it. Eating breakfast is important for a productive morning. Step 6. Brush your teeth. Keeping your teeth clean is important for your health and helps you feel fresh throughout the day. Step 7. Do your hair and makeup if you like. Whether it's a cute hairstyle or just a bit of lip balm, these final touches can make you feel ready and put together. For my hijabi girls, opt for looser styles for better airflow, especially on hot days. Your comfort is key, so find the style that lets you shine confidently. Step 8. Pick out your outfit or uniform. Choose something that makes you feel confident and ready to take on the day. Planning your outfit the night before can make mornings a lot easier. Step 9. Pack your school bag. Make sure you have everything you need: books, notebooks, and a water bottle. Maybe even add a little snack or a fun note to keep you motivated. Step 10. Start your day with a positive mindset. Read an inspiring quote or jot down something you're grateful for. A positive attitude makes a big difference. Affirmations to start your day. Step 11. Do a quick final check. Make sure you have everything you need and that you're feeling great about how you look. It's always good to double check before heading out. Step 12. Head out the door. You're all set and ready to take on the day. Remember to carry that positive energy with you. And that's it for my morning routine. I hope you enjoyed these tips and find them helpful for starting your own day. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun content. Have an amazing day and glow up with confidence. See you next time.